Hello, this is Edos from the website Design Altitude, and in this segment for CSS Mastery, we're going to be talking about external CSS. With an external CSS, you can change the entire look of a website with just one file. You can change an entire look of a website with just one file. And your CSS command, they are usually in a separate file. Let me show you what I mean. So, like I said, they're actually in a separate file, unlike the inline CSS, which is what we did here, and the internal CSS, which is the thing we did here. So, external CSS, you create a separate file for your external CSS. Then, for all your pages, what you just do is you link that CSS to your web page, and you can style your page that way. Let me show you what I mean. And to define an external CSS, the first thing you need to do is you need to create a file, a CSS file. So let's save this as our CSS file. Say save as. I can call it style.css. Always use .css to save an external CSS, not .html this time, .css. Then I'll save it. So here's where I'll enter all the CSS commands. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take away this internal CSS first, or I'll leave it. So how do you add an external CSS to this page now? You add an external CSS using the link tag. This attribute rel means relationship. What's the relationship between this link? It's a style sheet. It's a style sheet, that's CSS. Then type text or CSS. Then hyperreference. Where is this file located? It's located in our folder, and the name is style.css. Cool. So let's go ahead and save this. Save. So what we do now here, is this. Let's break. Let's enter any paragraph using a break. So let's take, for instance, want to style our H3. So this is our H3 heading. So let's save it and see it the way it's going to look without styling it. You see, it's just a random just an ordinary text. So we can actually style this H3 heading externally here. So I can say H3 because that's what we're styling. Then curly brace, I'll say color. What color should I use? Orange. Then margin left, for instance, I can say 100 pixels. Font weight, I can say border. So I'll save it. Always make sure it's saved. So what I'll do is I'll come here, then I'll refresh it. As you can see, we now have our H3 heading styled externally. We style it externally. You see, if you want to style, so if we want to link our CSS to any of our web page, so you just use this link, and this link must be between the head tag, in between this head tag, this link. So the relationship between this link and the relationship between this link, okay, between the file and the link is style sheet. Then type text or CSS. Then the reference, where is it located? It's located in our folder, and the name is style.css. So that's how you link CSS externally. with that being said, I will see you in the next lesson. And if you have any question, let me know in the comments, and I'll reach out to you.